Jim Morrison Facts, Part 5. Fact number 1. The FBI officially kept a file on Jim Morrison during one of the most politically turbulent periods in American history. According to reports, he was monitored under the FBI's controversial COINTELPRO program because authorities feared his anti-establishment influence over young Americans. Investigators documented his public statements, associates, and activities, showing just how seriously the government viewed his growing cultural impact. Fact number 2. One of the biggest reasons Jim Morrison's death remains so controversial is that no official autopsy was performed. After he was found dead in his Paris apartment on July 3, 1971, French authorities ruled the cause as heart failure. Because French law did not require an autopsy when no foul play was suspected, Morrison was buried without one. That single decision sparked decades of speculation, conspiracy theories, and claims that he may have faked his own death.
Fact number 3. In November 1969, Morrison was arrested by federal agents immediately after landing in Phoenix, Arizona, for allegedly causing a disturbance aboard a commercial flight. However, the case quickly unraveled because members of the flight crew reportedly couldn't confidently identify who had actually caused the disruption. The charges ultimately collapsed, leading some observers to question whether the arrest had been an unnecessary attempt to harass the already controversial rock star. Fact number 4. During Morrison's infamous 1970 Miami indecent exposure trial, prosecutors struggled to produce definitive physical evidence proving the alleged act had occurred. Instead, much of the prosecution relied on witness testimony, with later claims suggesting several witnesses had connections to local law enforcement or the district attorney's office. The trial remains one of the most debated legal cases in rock history and permanently changed Morrison's public image.
Fact number 5. For years after Morrison's burial in Paris, his grave remained largely unmarked, allowing his family and estate to manage the site with relatively little public attention. Eventually, a new gravestone bearing a Greek inscription meaning "true to his own spirit" was installed. Today, Père Lachaise Cemetery attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors every year, making Jim Morrison's resting place one of the most visited graves of any musician in the world.